Additional pictures to follow. Seller will consider offers between $699,900, $798,876. Solid 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a great ocean view from the upper master suite west/vaulted ceilings and from the main floor. Lower daylight level features a 4th bedroom suite west/an exterior entrance, large laundry room and storage room plus the double car garage and storage room/shop behind. There's another large heated detached DBL car garage west/storage above. You'll enjoy the private fenced brick patio with hot tub in the backyard and a fenced, easy care side yard behind the detached garage west/another garden shed to the north of the property. Front ocean view Trex deck and back deck overlooking the brick patio.